Bill Merk, the bar clerk.
Actually, I'm the parts manager. Hey everybody, Bill Merk, the parts clerk. I'm back in the secret lab, aka the parts department. Working the back counter. It's really busy here this time of year and servicing all your cars, but I wanted to remind you that we've got a special going on accessories. 15% off accessories. And in this lovely weather, you can come down and get some mud guards installed for $150, maybe less. We've got them for all kinds of makes and models of Toyotas. But if you want to put running boards or you want to do window tint or all kinds of goodies, come see us at Toyota Tri-Cities. We're having fun. So look at the website, check the coupons, check the specials. Come see us.